part of the Habitat Hotels group, and our project is important to biodiversity because in Illinois, we're supposed to be the prairie state, but there isn't actually that much prairie around. Prairie is needed because of the strong roots that help to break apart the clay and soil so water can get down there and replenish the watershed.
A lot of our plants and native animals that are living here are mostly gone due to the fact that a lot of industrial homes are being built and the pollinators are leaving.
When we give them a home so they'll stay around, they can pollinate the prairie and help them grow and thrive like they're supposed to.
If we are awarded the prize, we would continue to expand to neighborhoods and community areas and continue to make the pollinator hotels for families and more community areas.
And not many people will think it's a big problem because they don't understand the impact prairie does have, so we need to educate people on it.